Vocabulit Lesson 7 Test. Sentence completion. Choose the word that best completes each sentence. He stood up straight and tall and made a face in order to blank the gang of boys. Abuse, humiliate, intimidate, vacant. Unable to appear at the trial, the witness submitted a signed blank to be used in court. Affidavit, succession, spiritual, dedication. Do not blank the carriage horses by making them work in such hot weather. Appoint, abuse, intimidate, evict. The blank at this coffee shop includes many staff members from the nearby hospital. Trend, numero uno, whereabouts, patronage. The man wasn't surprised when he got home and saw the blank notice on his front door because he was so behind in his payments. Vacant, inhumane, evict, section. Synonyms. Choose the word that is most similar to the capitalized word. The treatment of the prisoners of war was so inhumane that many died in prison. Brutal, unrealistic, serious, strong. She was so occupied with her work that she didn't even hear the bell ring to end class. Intimidated, abused, engaged, evicted. The test was broken up into two sections, a reading and a writing. Phases, categories, wholes, places. No one lived on the island. It was vacant, deserted, occupied, evicted, inhabited.